Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Quip to the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Slack app, and here it opens up in the chat, in the home menu where we have our channels, our DMs and our teammates. From here we just have to go into the channel and then tap on connect apps. And then the app is going to load, and here we just scroll down, and in the enterprise ready apps we find Quip. Now we can just tap on the icon, and then after it has loaded, there's going to be a button like this, and we can just tap on add to Slack. It's going to add it to the application and to the channel that we have selected. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.